Hello and welcome to Iconic Brands. Today I'm at the Daventry Motorcycle Festival. It's an annual event held in the centre of Daventry. And what you can see now is the starting point for the mass motorbike ride into the Daventry town centre, which is approximately a mile away. When I get my moped out on the road, I'm going to ride. It's a fun event aimed at raising funds for the Daventry Food Bank, who provide emergency essential food supplies and support for local residents. Its purpose is to promote and support the local community. There's still more coming in, yeah? I'm only guessing, but I'm saying there's going to be about 200 plus bikes here today. It should make an impressive noise when we arrive in the town centre. It's all well marshalled. And thanks for the volunteers for giving up their time. The mass ride into town is headed by Mayor Karen Tweedle, currently taking her place in this American-style motorised trike. Let's say hello to Karen. Enjoy the ride.
Thank you.
Well, you can feel the excitement building as the riders are preparing for the mass motorbike ride into town. Queen's Highway looking like a streak of light. Motorbiking.
Nice little serenade, you mean?
We're away. Here's the mayor leading the way, with all the other bikers following behind. And here we are, waving to the crowds. And thanks again for all the marshals and volunteers who did a great job stopping the traffic for the riders to filter through. It was great to help support the local community, as well as provide an affordable family day out for everyone who attended this event. And myself and Linda Pittman of Linda Pittman Travels really enjoyed the fun atmosphere of this event, which seems to be getting bigger and better every year. It may be only a ride from the local football club to the town centre, but it all helps generate support for the local community. And in my opinion, there should be far more events like this one in every market town, village or city in the UK. The Honda Cub C50 looks huge compared to these little monkey bikes, and that doesn't happen very often. Thanks for watching Iconic Brands. Please like or subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video.